Okay, we're going to clutch a 2010 F8. This is a easy way to pop the belt off. Take the secondary bolt out of it. Just remove the washers. Flip this around backwards. Tighten her back up and I'll suck that belt down in for you. And then you can take it right off easy. Okay, to pop your primary clutch off, the right puller, 3/4 inch. Good impact, works good, or just a torque arm. Okay, now you got the clutch off on the bench. Remove the 6 bolts, bring the cover off, 10mm. A lot of spring tension, so move them all even. No other balance marks on this one. It's yellow dots, but they do have marks on them too. It's got to go back together, all assembled for balance the right way. Then you got to remove the small set screws, and you have to apply a little heat to them. Allen wrench comes with the weights supplied with it. Have to get the set screw loosened and heated, just 7/16 take out the clutch arm. Okay, got the weights all set. Base weight is 67 to 83. I got 2, 1, 1, and 2 in the tip. We'll try that. We'll try that in our Y pipe and pipe F8. We'll take it for a rip. If it's over revving, we can add more weight, or if it's under revving, you take some out of the tip. Try it again, but ready to install. Knock them up first, and then get your hole lined up for your set screw. Apply a little Loctite to all the set screws, and if you don't apply a Loctite, the set screws will definitely come loose on you. Snug them up, do the other two, put your cover back on, ready to take for a rip.